Hello all. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we are going to make this kind of flower decoration. So let's get started. For flower decoration we need 6 by 6 square. Fold that square into half. Draw a petal shape. I'm taking this kind of petal. So I'm drawing this shape. Now you have to cut. A petal is ready. Cut little bit and stick with the glue. Give a petal shape. We are making 5-layer flower. So we have to take 5 different square. Here I am taking 5 by 5 square and I am giving the same shape petal. I am repeating the same process. So for our flower we have to take 6 mm, 5 mm, 4 mm, 3 mm and 3 mm petals. For flower arrangement I am taking golden foam sheet ring and I am arranging first layer of a flower. You have to take that 6 mm square petal, then 5 mm square petal, arrange in such a way that it look like a flower. Follow a pattern. Stick 4 petal first, then 4 petal, then 4 petal. Likewise, it look like a flower. For center flower, you have to do like this and you have to stick in the center. You will get a big flower. For more decoration, I'm adding this red flower. How to make this red flower? Let's start it. I'm taking square of red part. I'm just giving a circle shape, cut it into half and give a petal shape. You will get one. Then we need 8 of it. So 8 petal we need for this flower. You have to stick first 4. Then in between you have to stick another 4. After sticking another 4 petal in between, just decorate this flower with white stone. Your flower is ready. Add this flower into ring. We need leaf too. So for leaf, I am taking 3 by 12 rectangular and I am cutting into leaf shape. We have so many. One by one you add your all leaves. Your design is ready to use. Try this flower decoration and don't forget to comment us. Thank you for watching.